let's take a look at another graph, and here we have an asymptote at x equals 0, and we have the graph coming in from the left and right. Here's a bonus question for you. What would be the equation for this graph? I'll let you think about that. Let me know if you come up with the answer. Anyways, the focus is going to be again on limits. So in this example, we're going to evaluate the limit as x approaches 0 from the left of f of x. So let's take this point and drag it closer and closer to x equals 0. And again, notice what happens to the y value. It keeps shooting up, up, and up. And again, x is never going to actually reach 0, but it can certainly approach it. And again, if I try to drag it too much, it's going to shoot off the page, so it can only do so much. But this y value is going to keep going up and up and up. And again, what's the concept of up and up and up? That means the y value is approaching infinity. It's a very simple concept. Alright, one more example for this graph, and that's going to be it for this video. It's very quick. Evaluate limit as x approaches 0 from the right. Alright, so let's take this same point. Let's drag our graph back down, and let's start from the right. So if we start from the right, and x approaches 0 from the right, it's going to get smaller and smaller. What happens to the y value? The y value gets bigger and bigger again. So the point of this lesson is that x approaches 0 from the left and right, and you get the same, y increases both times. So this is going to be the same answer as from the left. It's also going to be infinity. Now this alludes to the fact that you can have an infinite limit coming in from both sides. In other words, the y value can approach infinity or negative infinity, depending on the graph, from both sides, and the limit will actually exist even if it is an infinite limit. That's why calculus is so cool, is because you've got these infinitesimal concepts, or these really big infinite concepts, and they can be both concrete and abstract at the same time, meaning the limit can exist even if it's an infinite one. Pretty cool. So that's it for this. Again, this is just one-sided limits. If you have any questions about this, let me know.